Because believe it or not, each and every one of us in this room is one day going to stop breathing, turn cold, and die. Carpe, Diem. Seize the day, boys. Make your lives extraordinary.
I'm on the road, bro. I'm on the road. Yeah. This what they didn't want me on. They didn't want me to be up this late. Gang, 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 gang. Last days in the rain.
I love Jaybird.
345, I'm not flying high. I got no boxes on, I'm chillin' right. My girl chilled with some other niggas. That's my girl, what you doing with her? I asked the nigga like she's the victim. Then I realized that I'm that nigga. A cocky dreadhead that makes his figures. No sadness in the summer, I'm living bigger. I told everybody I'd make it. If the rain come down, you gotta take it. Cause time just keeps ticking, you can't sit and just wishing that you could switch your positions when you playing. I know that I'ma live in destiny. High roads are the only thing that get the best of me. Oh no. I know that I'm someone that you should see. I chose the high road to reach my peak. Now look at me. Certified low life, tryna live the best life. Every night stay high, tryna get the best life. No sleep, no sleep, no sleep, no sleep. I'm still on plan A, them Z's ain't for me. And you know that I can do this all on my own. You know that I'm just gonna make another hit song. So baby girl, you might as well just sing along. Got girls' moms listening to my music, man, how did I do? Got squad all with me, man, I'm so glad they influence. They working hard on spitting bars, we tryna make it big. Gotta spit, we'll be back when it's time to run shit. It's 4-9 and that's not a lie. That's not a lie, that's not a lie. Verse 2, cause I'm still not tired. I'm still not tired, I'm still not tired. Momo told me that he likes the vibe. So I think I might stay up all night. When the sun rises, I feel like rising. Probably cause I'm the one shining. That's a cocky line, but it's not surprising. I build myself up when I start declining, that's real. Out here jigging, they say why you happy, cause I'm still living. If God wanted us to be upset, then he'd go ahead and kill us. So stop feeling like you're the reason and get up and start believing. Watch the doubters have a cow when I start peeking. Every song I'm milking them to get me cheesing. I'm eating chips ahoy at my chateau. Lift the boy when I go. Booty shorts and some sandals. It's summertime, I can't handle. I guess I don't understand the rules of life. I thought being original was key to life. I look up, I stood up with the birds sang. If life is the hard knocks, the bell rang. A long time ago, I said the same thing. And not being real, the realest can't change. Oh, and you know that I can do this all on my own. You know that I'm just gonna make another hit song. So baby girl, you might as well just sing along. Got girls' moms listening to my music, man, how did I do? Got squad all with me, man, I'm so glad they influence. They working hard on spitting bars, we tryna make it big. Gotta spit, we'll be back when it's time to run shit. Yeah. I just hope my homies can't ride to this, yeah. Cause my enemies won't like this, huh? Cause my enemies won't like this, huh? I just hope they can vibe to this, huh? I'm blessed. Play this at my funeral.